Blaise Bollman here at Colonial Downs. One of my favorite places everyone knows is a Trackside Kitchen on the backstretch. I'm joined with Miguel and Maria. They run the Trackside Kitchen here at Colonial, been serving us all morning, taking care of all these backstretch workers, pardon me. Miguel,
Yes,
how you doing today?
I'm doing great.
And how many years have you been doing this here?
Since 1993.
1993. And this is his lovely wife of 52 years, Maria. Maria, you know, what's an average day like for you? How much food are you serving?
Oh, we're serving like 60.
60 people a day.
Yes.
What do you think is the most special plate you're selling in the mornings?
Oh, bacon, egg, and cheese.
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich.
Okay, well, I'll admit I just had the Western omelet. Delicioso. So, muchísimas gracias por todo. You know, I'm going to take a walk down here. I see you got fried chicken, frijoles,
Barbecue,
barbecue
rice,
chicken.
string beans, and we have corn with carrots and extra. But that is barbecue chicken.
And I have to say it looks nice and lean and healthy, something mostly for these exercise riders and guys got to watch their weight. I know you got trainers and stuff here. Is there anybody that sticks out in your mind?
Robert Warner.
Robert Warner? Yeah, he's probably here every day. He's your biggest.
The jockey is Mario Fuentes.
Mario Fuentes. Okay, very good. Do we see Antonio Gallardo over here or no? Because he's looking pretty flaco.
Horacio Caramano. Yes.
Yeah, he's a Mid-Atlantic legend. We all know that. So, yeah, I just want to say we've had a great time. They got the chef cooking. Santiago, you got to get over here. Juan, come over here. So we got some other fellows working here. I got Santiago and Juan. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Qué bueno, qué bueno. Hey, Juan?
Todo bien.
Juan from DFA, he's from Mexico City. I got Miguel and Maria. They've been here in America for over 50 years. 60 years, and they're originally from Honduras. So when, hey, you're here in New Kent, Virginia, you're here at Colonial Downs, hit the backside. It's open access, great prices, easy food, great people to meet. And don't forget, you got to visit a track kitchen every time you're at a racetrack.